Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Monday, October 11th, 2021. It's around 2 pm and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is the central Yangon. It is located at the corner of Kabaraya Pagoda Road and Kanbi Road, two of Yangon's busiest roads. It marries the sanctuary of home with the spirit of a vibrant new retail concept. It connects with the Myanmar heritage, integrates with nature, and imbues life with light and space. As an address, an asset, an urban oasis, and a lifestyle choice, the Central is the new benchmark of luxury. Marga Landmark Development Company Limited is the developer of this project. It is an international property developer focused on high-end residential and mixed-use real estate developments in Yangon. Marga Landmark is a joint venture between Marga Group and Thukai Yadanar, a local conglomerate with a diverse portfolio of businesses across Myanmar. Marga Group is an international syndicate with shareholders and directors consisting world-class professionals from Australia, Korea, Hong Kong, and the United Kingdom. Marga Group strives to deliver the finest and most exquisite properties in Yangon. Marga Group team members' portfolios include some of the most iconic landmarks and successful high-end projects in Australia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, China, Hong Kong, United Kingdom, the United States of America, and the Middle East. The Central is situated at the corner of Kabaraya Pagoda Road and Kanbi Road, two of Yangon's busiest roads. This prime corner of the inner lakefront boulevard traces the coastline and runs parallel to its enchanting green promenade. Inner Lake is the largest lake in Yangon and the most beautiful recreation hotspot for tourists and locals. Much of the shoreline lies some of the most expensive private properties in the country. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to acquire an address that embodies rarity and marks the true central of Yangon. The Central is a masterpiece created through collaboration with a vision of creating the perfect community. The Central effortlessly links its residents to Yangon Central Business District, the charming Golden Valley, and the international hubs inside Yangkin Township, a bustling and thriving commercial hub for upscale Yangon. The Central is the first development to win all 4 awards in which it was nominated in Myanmar Property Awards history. International business group Marga Landmark has been awarded by the Myanmar Property Awards, the most recognized and respected real estate awards in the region. Marga Landmark and its mixed-use development, the Central, have created history by winning all 6 awards in which it was nominated. Marga Landmark received accolades for Best Developer and special recognition in CSR, while the Central won Best Mixed Use Development, Best Condo Development, Best Retail Development, and Best Universal Design Development. Regarded as the leading industry award program, Myanmar Property Awards offers an unrivaled showcase of the Myanmar's real estate industry, boosting awareness and highlighting top quality developers, projects, and services. Myanmar Property Awards has given out outstanding awards to developments in four categories: Developer Awards, Development Awards, Design Awards, Real Estate Personality of the Year Awards. 2017 Best Developer winners leads in Myanmar's sustainable urbanization with innovation, world-class projects such as the Central Mixed Use Development. Marga Landmark excels in many ways, from project design and planning to construction and delivery of luxury real estate that aims to contribute to the country's economic acceleration. Also awarded for a special recognition in CSR, Marga Group has a mandate of making long-term sustainable contributions to social and community work in Myanmar as a responsible corporate member of the society. Under two CSR flags, Marga Community Care and Marga Youth Foundation, Marga has initiated and completed more than several dozen initiatives in just its first few years of Myanmar operations. Marga Group is a key player in contributing to the sustainable urbanization and economic acceleration of Myanmar. The central flagship project of Marga Landmark sets out to be a world-class real estate development that showcases the beauty and urban vitality of the booming economic center in the ASEAN region. The Central aims to become an iconic landmark for modern, sustainable living and for the local and international community to live, work, and play. The Central Boulevard shopping mall has a range of popular international and local brands. It is one of Yangon's favorite shopping destinations. It offers the latest in fashion, accessories, and more. People are coming, enjoying the atmosphere, and taking photos. The impressive condo has been designed intelligently, keeping the requirements and habits of local families and foreign residents in mind. The view from the condo is spectacular. One can enjoy the view of Inner Lake and horizon view from the big windows and balcony of the condo. The condos are made very spacious and there is ample amount of light coming in. The car park facility is highly secured and convenient to access. It provides car parking space to more than 2000 cars. It has the largest covered parking in Yangon. The aim is to make the life of people living there effortless and easy. They have experts who are taking care of concierge, cleaning and maintenance and landscaping. The location gives it the benefit of nature and its man-made design makes it a spectacular place to be. Inner Lake is the largest lake in Yangon and is very popular as a tourist spot and the central run parallel to its coastline. The view and beauty of the lake can be enjoyed from the property itself. Yangon's business district and Golden Valley are at very close proximity to Central. The Central is located at 20 minutes drive from the Yangon International Airport. The Central has been designed very thoughtfully and is very spacious with ample amount of natural light. It defines luxury. It is a world-class property for multiple purposes. It has fashionable, elegant and sophisticated residential towers, a shopping mall, modern commercial office spaces, first pedestrian shopping street in Myanmar, luxurious clubhouse, where people can go out for leisure. The Central is a whole world in itself by combining different facilities in one modern development. The Central is built by giving proper attention to the minutest details. The clubhouse offers many activities like outdoor swimming pool, meeting and function rooms, restaurant, bar, cafe, fully equipped gymnasium, fully equipped business center, billiards room, sauna facilities, children's playroom and library. The architecture of Central is unique, extremely beautiful and modern. It reflects the heritage of Myanmar and connects it with nature. The Central caters to the needs of all the cultures and people of different countries in this high energy city. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.